Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on core. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. We're gonna be doing this circuit style. So we're gonna do each exercise one time for 45 seconds, take a break, do it again, take a break, do it again. So same circuit 3 times, no breaks in each circuit, but we're gonna have a break between each circuit. I hope that makes sense. Before we get started, don't forget March calendar is available. Click the link in the description box down below, sign up for the calendar, and get the rest of the year to your inbox. Also, grab a yoga mat, and all you need is yourself. Let's get started. So we're going to kick this off. Most of these exercises will be plank formations. So we're doing a lot of planking here, building up the core. We're gonna start off with the regular plank. So coming into plank position here, make sure if you have your Apple Watch on, you are tracking your workout so you can know how many calories you're burning and all that good stuff. So click high intensity and let's get started. So, wow, an hour? I don't think so. So we're gonna come down into plank position here. Remember, hold your core up. You wanna flex that core and suck it in, keeping it tight the whole time. But I want you to focus on one thing here. We wanna work on our diaphragm and we wanna work on breathing during the exercises. Breathing can literally level up your exercises and create more resistance, and it can help you build better and faster. I have been dealing with this in my split stretches. Breathing as I'm going down into the splits is helping me come down tremendously, and I'm so close to my splits, you guys. So we're gonna focus on breathing, but also our form, our physical body form. So here we go. I'm gonna show you guys. When you're in the plank position, your butt is not up, your back is not dipped, and your back is not up. So you want a nice flat back. And as you're looking at yourself or feeling your body, you wanna breathe in big, like. So you'll see my stomach opened up as big as I can possibly open it up down here. And then I breathed all of it out and I tightened up that core. So, just like that, breathing in and breathing out. You can see my stomach growing and shrinking, growing and shrinking. So as you're breathing during this exercise, try to focus on expanding and retracting, building that core, tightening as tight as you can and breathing into it as big as you can. It's gonna make the exercise harder, but that's okay. We want to work on this and get this core nice and tight, okay? 45 seconds here. We're trying something different today. Let's get started. Keep it tight, open it up.
I took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where.
Good job.
Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know.
A lot of us forget
But I've been feeling like pretty.
to breathe during our exercises, and then you get up and you're
Feeling like there's no one other than you.
maybe lightheaded, or your energy is depleted, or you just don't feel as good. It's because you've been holding your breath the whole time.
The odds we end up loving this.
So we're working in breathing exercises to these workouts.
Quite hard.
Good job. We are done with 45 seconds there. Next, we're gonna be doing some side-to-side planks. So coming into the plank position here, not so much focus on the breath work here, but we wanna focus on our form, keeping the core nice and tucked in, switching from side to side. You wanna breathe as well here, but it's not as focused on opening up the diaphragm. It's just focusing on nice inhale and exhale as you go from side to side, okay? Let's get this started. 45 seconds here.
Other than you, who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like.
You can do it one of 2 ways. You can either switch and switch, or you can come center, switch, come center, and switch. It's up to you, whatever's more comfortable. Just make sure you're keeping your core nice and tight.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire.
Good job, keep that breath going.
You feel my fire, fire, fire. You feel my fire.
So here we're working core. We're also working obliques.
You
So
feel
we're working on that waistline here, ladies.
fire, fire.
Keeping that butt down, that back nice and straight. There you go.
Let's keep
There you go. 45 seconds. Turning it over. We're gonna be doing some in and outs. Hands come back into this position. Again, we wanna focus on our breath here. Sitting up right. Keep your back nice and straight. We're gonna extend and tuck in. Keep your core nice and engaged. About 45 seconds here.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Remember to move through the motion, not quickly, but with good form.
This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning down for you. Leave us till tomorrow.
Great job. Last exercise we're gonna do here around the world. So go ahead and lay back. Arms come up here.
Till
We're
tomorrow.
going to bring our legs up and then lower them back down. Slow and methodical. Very slow. Come here and bring them in. Tightening that core, bring them down. The key is don't let your feet touch the ground at the bottom. You want to keep them in a nice hover. Practice that breathing. We got 45 seconds here. I like to breathe in right here. So big breath and exhale. Good job. Breathing in up here and flexing, pulling the core, pull the belly button into your back. Great job. I'm like hitting my wall. My limbs are so long. Great job. We're gonna take a 30-second rest and get into circuit 2. All right, now you guys know the routine. You know the breathing, you know the routine. This next circuit is gonna go by quickly. No explaining, we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. Break, one more set, done for today. It's that easy, you guys. All right, coming back over here into that plank position. Here we go, guys. Let's get started.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young,
Good job.
for me
Side to side. Here we go.
till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only
Good job. Switch over.
dive into
In
your
and out.
with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
those feet touch the ground when you extend. Hover. Great job. Big breaths. In. Out. Good job.
Can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go.
Great job, guys. 30-second rest.
So I can focus
Last circuit, and we're done for the day.
on myself.
I can feel it in my core.
This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything.
Here we go, guys. 45-second plank.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus.
Good job. Side to side. Here we go.
Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
Good job. In and out.
I wanna say
Here we go, guys.
you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie.
Good job. Around the world. Lay back.
Let's take each other out.
Arms out.
Over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. 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 Bet you taste like chocolate. Bet you taste like chocolate. I wanna
Great
say
job. Great job, you guys. That's the workout. Remember, get up as slowly as you want.
smile's gonna be the end of
Don't
me.
make yourself dizzy. Don't pull yourself off the ground.
Can I have it for free?
Good job today. We did that. 3 rounds. All core, baby. The breathing work was so good, too.
You are all that I see.
You really never think about breathing into your stomach,
That smile's gonna
but
be
it's
the
so good for you.
I bet you taste like
Alright, guys. If you're ready for an ab stretch, I will leave a stretching video here on the screen for you guys. Click that. Cool down. Stretch out those abs. Also, don't forget,
I wanna say something.
like, subscribe,
You are all that I see.
click the notification bell so you can work out with me every single day.
It's gonna be the end of me.
Get your March calendar.
I bet you taste like
See you
chocolate.
guys later.
Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna